Go!
Chapter 4, Overview of Traffic Control, talk about the concept of and procedures of traffic control that guarantee the efficient, safe, and orderly flow of automobiles and pedestrians are covered in Chapter 4. In order to prevent accident and traffic jams, it highlights how crucial it is to comprehend traffic devices and aid like signs, signal, pavement markings, and eyesight. Lesson 4.1. Traffic control fundamental using those signs, signal, and markings to guide the safe flow of cars and pedestrians is known as traffic control. It uses engineering and management strategies to keep traffic moving smoothly and prevent crashes, particularly in crowded places. Lesson 4.2. Signs and traffic road user receive crucial warning, regulatory and educational information from traffic signs. Speed limits and no entry zones are enforced by regulatory sign. Warning sign warn of potential dangers and advise drivers to exercise caution. Drivers are directed to notes and destination by informative signs. To ensure uniformity and clarity, traffic signs in the Philippines adhere to the Viña Convention on Road Signs and Signals as well as the PWH standards. Lesson 4.3. Lights at traffic signals at intersection. Traffic lights are electrically powered devices that switch up the movement of cars and pedestrians. Green indicates go, yellow indicates by ready to halt, and red indicates stop. To effectively handle junction, they may function under progressive, computerized, or fixed time methods. All users of the road benefits from safety and equality when signals are properly observed. Lesson 4.4. Markers and pavement markings. These are painted lines, symbols, or colors that direct traffic flow and support other traffic signals. Lane dividers, pedestrian crossings, yellow boxes, and direct directional arrows are a few examples. They assist drivers in identifying turning lanes, pedestrian zone, and lane disciplines. Lesson 4.5. Islands in traffic. In order to direct and traffic streams, traffic islands are elevated or painted section of the road. The primary goals are to improve pedestrian safety, lessen conflict, and direct traffic flow. To keep people safe and stop unauthorized traffic, division islands separate opposing direction traffic and prevent overtaking. Channelizing island control traffic flow, junction, or location of merging. Rotating islands located at crossroads. This round island reduce traffic, regulate pedestrian flow, and enable safe turnaround for cars.